How to hide who follows you on Threads by Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can hide who follows you on Threads. For this, launch open the Threads app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the two lines at the top right corner. You will find different options over here. Go ahead and tap on the one that says privacy. Now you again have different options. Go ahead and tap on the one that says private profile. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to switch to private account. Here it says that only followers can see and interact with your threads. Your replies will be visible to followers and individual profiles you reply to. So go ahead and tap on the OK option. Now that you have turned on the private profile mode, people who do not follow you will not be able to see your following list. Remember that your followers will still be able to see who you follow on Threads, but people who does not follow you will not be able to see it. Now, unfortunately, your followers will be able to see who follows you even if you turn on this private mode option. That is because Threads does not have this feature. However, you can head over to Instagram and then make sure you hide your following list on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.